What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your Chaartist. Today is October 20th, 2024, Sunday, local time 7:17 p.m. I will be analyzing Tesla. I've already done the top-down approach for it. You can go and check it out. The complete price action for Tesla has been discussed. You can go and check it out. It's very, very important. Okay, now I'm gonna exceed after whatever I've discussed. So this you can call it the part two of the video of that analysis, which was done before the event. Okay, and now, if you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. You can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. Okay, this is my X account right here. That's my account. You can follow me here, and I have no groups. I'm not a part of any group. Okay, firstly, I'm gonna keep this video very simple because this is a continuation of the video that was posted. Okay, let's start it. Black line is EMA 20, red line is EMA 50. Okay, we are on daily charts right here, and now look at the price action. This is where the 10-10 event happened. Okay, it went up and then boom, it gapped down. Heavy selling came in here. Okay, this is a fresh selling zone right here. And one more thing is that it is right here in the smart money zone. This is called distribution of buying, not the greatest of all, but it is good enough to hold it and see. I'm not trying to justify my point here. Okay, I am long. I'm telling you I'm long. I'm gonna continuously keep on going long because my top down approach price action is very clear. Now understand, look at this candle, and at the bottom you do see a volume bar. This is how you analyze volume. Okay, so look at this volume bar right here, and look at the spread of this candle. Okay, so I'm just drawing an imaginary body right here. If you'll see, so this particular candle, look at the bottom, 10th October, it closed here. Okay, so technically if there was no news or no event, it normally daily candle should have opened right next to this, but it opened right here and then made a low and then closed here. So I'm just drawing an imaginary body that okay, it should have opened around 238, look on the right side, but it never. So the it should have happened. So I'm just imagining that this gap down, a lot of people have lost money. Okay, and a lot of people got trapped as well. So now understand, after this heavy volume, okay, after this heavy volume is still coming in. Okay, it is still coming in. Look at this, it's continuously going down kind of structure. I'm talking about the volume bar, and look at the spread. Okay, look at the spread. Let me zoom in. So this candle closed here. After that, on Monday 14th, the close is higher. On 15th, the close is higher. On 16th, the close is higher. And continuously, it's above this move. Are you getting it? This is the close 217. The closes are continuously, they were continuously higher till this point, and then still, when we closed this Friday, it is above this close and volume is continuously coming in. This is called swelling of volume. Volume is coming in, but it is getting accumulated at a point where the whole move started. Let me mark this for you. This is a demand zone, by the way. This is the behavior of Tesla. Okay, I'm marking it as daily demand zone. Okay, this is the behavior of Tesla. This is how Tesla behaves. Look at this. Okay, so if you do remember, the whole up move actually it started from here. If you look at this wick, I'm on weekly charts now. So this candle made a low, then it closes here, then this candle, these are weekly candles, by the way. This candle opens here, goes down. Okay, it was a green candle till here as well. You can go and check that video out where I've discussed why this wick was made. Anyways, it goes up, it comes down, it opens here, goes up, comes down, makes a low, and then it closes here, and then after that it gaps up and started going up. So this is the origin. Okay, but the whole thing, if you understand, it started from this red base doji candle. Okay, if you understand, I'm just trying to break everything down for you. So again, I'm repeating, please understand, this was a red candle till here, but then buying came in. Why? I've discussed that why. Now next week it opens here, makes a high. It was a green candle for the whole week, but then when it closed, it made a low and then it closed here. Okay, so technically it should have opened here and could have made a low, but it never. After this candle, you haven't seen a low. candle gaps up. Okay, look at that, read the data here. So this candle actually closed at 210, and next week candle opens at 216. $6 gap up move already here, and it made a low also. This candle, I'm talking about this weekly green candle, it made a low also of 230.29. That's it. And then it started rallying and made 264ish. Okay, now fresh selling came in. Definitely there is a selling zone here. I'm going to draw a selling zone here. Okay, fresh selling is on, so that is why you will see a retracement. You can see a retracement here, but by that time you might have a follow up demand zone as well. Now it should have gone up, but it is what it is. You need to understand, that is why we do have a stop loss level. Now understand this price. See, if you'll watch Spy Weekly for what I've posted it like 10 minutes ago, I told you EMA 20 black line will act as a support. Look at that. It is holding above it for the whole week. Okay. Now I broke this volume analysis for you. I don't rely on all this. I only rely on price action, but I'm noticing what is happening. Accumulation, swelling of volume. These are the daily charts. Now on weekly, clear cut, this invisible candle which I was trying to make, okay, which I was assuming, okay, now this is clearly visible on weekly. Look at the volume here. After that, now logically, think logically. I'm not criticizing anybody, but I'm just trying to make you understand. I'm showing you live. This is the data. This is what you need to believe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Okay, understand. Look at the volume bar at the bottom. A very high volume. If I do hide this candle like this, proper volume is coming in. Okay, now this last past week, volume is almost same. Don't worry about the color of red and green. I'll make it all black. I don't care. Look at the volume. It is almost same to the previous week's candle. I'm comparing this candle and this candle. I'm comparing these two candles. Okay. So this particular candle, look at the bottom one for the week of October 7th, high volume. Next week, which was last week, October 14th week, okay, from October 14th till this Friday, volume bar is same. That means something is happening. But where is the spread of the candle? If volume bar is same, the spread should also have been same logically. But no, it is holding here. Why is it holding here? This is price action. This is how you understand what is happening. This is price action. If it hits your stop loss, take stop loss and get the hell out. But the whole point here is this is telling you something. Okay, somebody is buying. I don't care about option money flowing in from black box stocks or anybody. I'm not taking nobody's name. I don't really care about anybody. But the whole point here is you need to understand what is happening, what the charts are showing you. Okay. Now, one more thing is top down approach should be very, very clear. This is inside monthly demand. Okay. This is working. This is working and suppliers are breaking. Okay. This is multiple time tested. I've explained all this structure very clearly. Okay. Now, now this is fresh selling. I'll mark it weekly supply zone. This might stop the price for some time. Again, you need to observe the whole market as well. Now, it is inside your weekly demand, okay, and the whole rally that happened till 264, the origin is this. Okay, this is the origin. I've explained, I've broken this down very, very clearly. Okay, now let me go back on weekly. Now I will discuss the momentum. Okay, let's open RSI. And I'm telling you, I know RSI very, very well. Okay, so I'm telling you, this is your bear divergence. Okay, look at this. People who know RSI, they know what I'm trying to explain. Bear divergence actually means that profit booking is happening. Okay, and nothing has changed. It is bear divergence. Okay, profit booking. This is called profit booking. Now, this is your bull range. I have experienced with time that I am by nature a bull. I'm not a bear. So that is why I always keep bull range. 40-80 is the bull range. Okay, now this is your bear divergence right here. All right, and then what happens here is this is happening inside your 60 to 70 range, which is bullish. Okay, there are ranges. I'm not trying to confuse you here, but I'm trying to uh, make people understand that this is profit booking. Bear divergence is very, very healthy. Okay, but which one to trade? You cannot short. I would never ever have shorted. Okay, now understand. I'm long. I'm telling you, I'm long. Okay, and I'll continue to be long in Tesla. Now, this is your profit booking, and when it comes down, the sell-off of this RSI happens in 50 to 60 range. If I'll draw a line here, look at this. This is 50 coordinates. Look at the selling of RSI. It is happening in 50 to 60 range where it is creating momentum. And forget bear divergence, it's like nothing. This is the meat and potatoes of RSI. Okay, this is how you trade RSI. And all this selling which is happening from RSI is happening in 50 to 60 range, and it is happening in the previous tops. So this is how price action works. It is creating momentum on weekly trend is up, by the way. Daily trend is down. Daily trend is almost down, sideways to down, but you cannot avoid the top down approach. Okay, price action is superior. This is all, whatever indicators I'm showing you, this is all secondary. And RSI, people don't know how to use RSI, but I'm telling you, this is volume on weekly and daily. If it breaks, book your stop. Okay, where to stop? You stop here. Forget it. Stop here. If you cannot see, if you cannot understand it, just get out here. But I am telling you, I'm buying more and more. I don't care about whatever is happening. First stop would be here. Okay, second stop, it can go deeper in here. Okay, this is your supply. 250 can come easily. I'm not worried about Tesla's earnings. I don't really care about Tesla's earnings because I don't trade news. I was not trading even this news, but I'm telling you what has happened. There are two things that has happened. Okay, one was the bear divergence, which should have happened. Okay, but again, I was noticing this. I was noticing this very clearly. This, and then sector. Tesla belongs to consumer discretionary sector. If you'll go and check consumer discretionary sector, it has hit a monthly supply. That is why it came down. Two reasons which I'm showing you right now. Ultimately, what are the targets? If it goes up, these are the resistances that will come. Okay, but ultimately from CMP, it is at 220. You will see 268. You should see 268 with time easily. Okay, these are the hindrances which I'm marking. This EMA 20 will also, because now price is under EMA 20. EMA 20 will stop the price from going up. Let's see what happens. But what my expectation is, it will create a lot of mess here. Okay, and then once it has wasted all the theta, it will ultimately go up 268. And remember, in video 1 I clearly said it should go up till at least till here. No, not here, till here. 299, 291. I said very, very clearly. Go and check it out. Okay, so this is Tesla. The follow up video, again, it is showing all indications that it should go up. I don't care about earnings. I don't care about news. Let's see how it goes. Look at the past earnings. All red, all red. One, two, three, four. So for the whole year, they were red. Okay. Now, it won't surprise me if it is red again, the earnings. But the whole point here is we are not trading earnings. I do not believe in trading news. Take stop loss if you want to. I'm not a weak holder. I know what Tesla is trying to do, so I'm going to hold. This is my take on Tesla. First stop, again, I'm repeating, here it should stop, fill up the gap here, and then this is your supply. It should hold up here as well. It will, go sideways. Sideways means like this. Now you will see a follow up demand zone here as well, because you will see a follow up demand zone here as well. So you, once it hits that, you can trade the follow up demand zone, because ultimately the journey should be up. And I'm telling you, it is respecting. When I saw this, it is respecting all the trend lines. Don't worry about it. Every, this is tested, this is tested, this is tested, this is all tested. These are all tested levels. Even this is tested. Tested means that supply zones are already weak. Okay, anyways, I don't trade indicators. I only trade price action. So this is Tesla for you. 15 minutes almost. All right. If you did like the analysis, if you did understand what I've explained, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. You can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. And this is my X account right here. Don't forget to follow me. And this is my TradingView, by the way. Anyways, take care. Do not gamble. If you want to gamble, go to a casino. All right. Take care. Bye bye.